Hello everyone, welcome back to Top Capable channel. In today's video, we will show you how to unlock your iPhone without knowing the passcode. If your iPhone is stuck on iPhone unavailable or security lockout situation, there is really only one way to cope with this problem, and that is to reset your iPhone to factory settings. There are 3 totally free techniques for you to choose from. Now, let's dive in. The most straightforward way is to use Erase iPhone option to restore your device. If you want to take this approach, your iPhone has to accord with the following terms. 1. The system of iOS 15.2 and later has been installed on your iPhone. 2. Your iPhone is in a good network connection. 3. This method is also in need of your Apple ID and password. Keep entering the wrong passcode 7 times in succession, and you will catch sight of an Erase iPhone option on the bottom right corner. Tap on it, then it will give you 2 options. One is that you can reset your iPhone by hitting the Erase iPhone once again, and the other is that you can wait 15 minutes to re-enter your passcode. However, you must be aware that when you enter the wrong passcode 10 times in a row, your iPhone will permanently prohibit you from doing anything unless you reset it. So we suggest you tap Erase iPhone once again. On this page, enter the password for your Apple ID, and it will do the erasure on your iPhone. This process only takes a few minutes. After that, your iPhone will reboot with a hello screen just like the first time you used it. If the Erase iPhone option is not given, let's try this equally effective solution. Use Find My app. You will need to prepare another iOS device beforehand. Don't worry if you don't have a spare iPhone or iPad, you can skip this method and try the next one by computer. In another device, simply tap on the Find My icon on the home screen and open it up. If you don't have this app installed, go to Apple Store to download one. Type in the login account and password to the prompts. Tap Devices from the menu bar at the bottom, slide up and you will see all the devices which share the same Apple ID. If there are several devices on the list, you need to confirm which one is the unavailable one and tap it. Swipe up again on this page, and reconfirm the unavailable iPhone. If there is no problem, tap Erase this device option right here. Tap Continue to certify you've already known that all the data will be erased when the phone connects to the internet. Tap Erase for the last time, then it will ask for the Apple ID password to trigger off the erasure. As you can see, your iPhone is loading, which signals it is being erased. This process will take about 2 minutes. Once finished, you won't see the unavailable message anymore. If the 2 methods above don't work for you, let's start with the last method, iTunes. iTunes is one of the solutions that is familiar to people, regardless of the iPhone unlocking or backing up data. So if you have iTunes installed, run it on your computer. In addition, you also need to prepare a USB cable before we start. However, iTunes can't detect your iPhone by reason of its unavailable problem. So what should we do now? Don't be afraid of this, you just need to place your iPhone into recovery mode, then your device can be read successfully. If you have an iPhone 8 and later model, connect your device to the computer, press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons in turn, then keep pressing the side button for around 20 seconds, don't release your finger until the recovery mode screen appears. If you have an iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus, connect them to the computer. Keep holding the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. When the recovery mode appears, let go of the buttons. If you have an iPhone 6s or earlier, keep pressing the home and side buttons at the same time. This process may take a few seconds. Don't let go of the buttons until the recovery mode comes out. Next, iTunes will show a window to ask if you want to update or restore your iPhone. Click on the Restore, then click Restore and Update to proceed. Then you will see a download icon running on the top right corner, which means iTunes is downloading the newest iOS software for your device. And this process may take some time. once the download overruns 15 minutes, your iPhone will restart automatically and you need to put it into recovery mode once more. In order to remove the lock screen passcode, iTunes will extract the original software from your device and then reinstall the newest one for it. During this time, don't unplug your device from the computer. After a few minutes, you will see the unavailable screen gone. Please note that no matter which solutions you try, both the user data and settings will be wiped out entirely. So if you really care about your data, you need to back them up in time so that you can restore them in iCloud or PC later. Some of you guys may think it's laborious to use iTunes and the previous methods are also ineffective. Don't be nervous, you can try a third-party tool called iPhone Unlokcer from appgeeker.com to fix your unavailable device in 4 easy steps. You can get it from AppGeeker's official website, and the link is also below this video. That's all for today's video, thanks for watching. We'll often share the touchpoints about fixing unavailable iPhones. If you want to learn more, give us a thumb up and subscribe to us. See you in the next video.